Morning. A beautiful morning it is in the nature. I am here to share the thought for the day. Thought for the day is relax. Just see the moon. Are you able to see? It's a full moon. Do hope. Relax. Don't rush. Don't force. Don't take stress. Let things happen. Trust the process and enjoy the ride. Life is not a rush. Don't try to force the things to happen the way you think. When you allow life to unfold on its own way, then only you will be able to enjoy the present moment. Otherwise, you will be filled with stress. What is going to happen? How it is going to happen? What will be the outcome? And you will be worried about and lost the beauty of life. So, keep in mind that life is a journey. Let life unfold it through its own way. And everything what will happen, whatever the result will come, will add value to your life. So, have a wonderful day. And for such positive thoughts, like and subscribe the channel. Have a great productive day. Thank you.